Seng bapaya na rilum Garo haka arpusaw trek yayong araja arpusan kila penlong ya kejingyaki da kabasyong kelan mengor kaba arsngi hakmat ka office Pyntreikam ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC halor ka nong rem ban Dawa na ka council ban Pyntreikam no yaki katu katni kimat bakongsan. Hagani kejingyaki lawan banya shimbenta da ka Association for Democracy and Empowerment ADE ka Garo Students Union GSU ka Achik Youth Welfare Organization AYWO ka Federation of Achik Freedom FAF ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKGGP Garo Hills Zone ka Tura Government College Students Union TGCSU but ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People Tura Government College Cell FKGGP TGC Cell. Habakran sikilat patay kubor President ka FKGGP Garo Hills Zone Pyntreikam areng ko ulaang bakalalong kabadon kam bandon no yala ka Jong ka Electoral role ha GHADC na lorban penstat no ya ka jing Pyntreikam ya ka Garo Customary Law GCL. Nalor kata ulaang ru bakalalong kabadon kam bandon no ya ka service rule kababit kababyang na kabantaki nong tray ka council bat bandawa ru bantaw ya ka Public Accounts Committee PAC ban penti kana ya ka jing khoj jing subak hakabya day bat kapisa tingka ka council.
This demonstration, sitting demonstration is projected to show the government that we are serious about certain issues regarding the GHADC. One of the issues that we are pursuing with the GHADC is the separate electoral law, which we really feel that is the need of the hour, because the autonomous district councils are meant for the indigenous people of the state, and because these autonomous district councils, the very essence of the autonomous district council is to safeguard the interests of the indigenous people, that is the tribal people. So we are asking that the general electoral roll should not be applicable to the ADCs. That is why we are asking for a separate electoral roll in the GHADC. And I think in the month of November 2024, they have passed a resolution, the district council MDCs, they have passed a resolution in the district council that separate electoral roll will be pursued, and for that matter some amendments will have to be done in certain rules regarding elections. So for that amendment they have constituted a committee. However, till that the committee has not functioned, it's not functional as of yet. That's why we are asking the GHADC to speed up the process so that the committee will function and the necessary amendments can be met, so that this separate electoral roll can be met for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And second, we are asking for the quick codification of Garo Customary Law, because on the same date, that is on November 20th, I think it was on 20th November 2024, they passed another resolution, all the MDCs of GHADC, the Treasury and the opposition included. They have passed the resolution that the codification of Garo Customary Law should be done, and so that bill has been forwarded to the state government, to the DCA. I think it's still pending with the DCA. So we are just reminding the government that the process should be sped up, so that this Garo Customary Law should be implemented in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And furthermore, we have seen that the functioning of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is deteriorating due to one factor. That is, the council, especially the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, has been very much unaccountable and untransparent. It has never been transparent. So we are asking from some mechanisms so that transparency and accountability will be there in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So the three mechanisms we are asking for is to create a finance rule for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and to create service rules for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And we are also asking for a Public Accounts Committee, and that committee, the chairman of that committee should be from among the elected MDCs and also from the opposition bench, as in line with the Public Accounts Committee of the Government of Meghalaya. So these are the things that we are pursuing with the council, but we are not keeping any timeline by when it should be done, because these are 5 different issues. So we'll be pursuing this. We'll be, I think, in the second week or first week of May, we'll be going to Shillong. We'll pursue it with DC, the District Council Affairs Minister, President Jong also will go and meet him regarding the issue of GCL.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.